Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. So if you can't tell by the title of the video, we are going to be unboxing these beautiful press-ons that I got from my vendor. So as you can see, it comes in this cute little packaging, your nail glue, buffer, an alcohol wipe, and a file. And with this first set, we all love a little bling bling. These are so cute. And I don't know about y'all, but I love a fresh red set. These are so cute. I think these are my favorite. Oh my goodness. Look at this set, y'all. I had to get these. I am so excited to start this business, you guys. Like, when I first got these nails, all I could do was just sit there and stare at them because they are so beautiful. I also got some bubble mailers. I got these later on, but I have these 5x8.6 bubble mailers. They're pretty small, but not too small, just enough to where it can fit in there. And I also got these 4x7 shipping labels from Amazon. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you did. More videos like this will be out pretty soon, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.